Hi friends, in this video we will learn about interface keyword. So interface is a keyword in Java. It is used to create interfaces. It is similar like classes. Like you can see, we can use interface is a keyword and interface name and open curly brace, closed curly brace. This is called interface creation. And interface can only have abstract methods till 1.7 version. So whatever methods that will be creating inside this particular interface always be abstract methods. So you cannot able to provide any implementation for these methods inside this interface. Since it has only abstract methods, it means unimplemented methods. There is no use of just interfaces, right? Let's say you have a animal interface. You cannot create object of it. You cannot make a call to this particular functionality because there is no behavior implemented already. So to provide functionality, we need to create a class and implement this interface and override all the methods. Override all the methods means provide behavior for all those abstract methods. And for this, we will be using implements keyword. Okay, let's see. So you can see this is interface animal and class cat that implements is a keyword and provide interface name. So now this cat needs to be provided all the behavior for the methods which is present in animal, and here I am overriding all the methods which is present in animal, and if needed you can write your own methods, like cat can have their own methods, variables, anything that you can do, but the mandatory thing you need to provide all the behavior for the methods which is present in animal interface. So now you might think that the same thing can be handled in abstract classes as well. Like here you can create abstract class animal and provide all the unimplemented methods, abstract methods, and create a class that extends animal and provide all the implementation that is present inside this particular animal abstract class, right? But there is a difference between interface and abstract classes. The difference is, or the advantage here is, a class can implement multiple interfaces. This we can call it as multiple inheritance. That means multiple inheritance is possible in interfaces, but this is not possible in classes. Like a class can only extend one class. Multiple inheritance is not possible in classes, but multiple inheritance is possible in interfaces. That means if you make this interface as abstract class, and here you can use extends keyword, but you cannot extend more than one. Only animal you can extend. But in interfaces, what is the benefit is, I created another interface called herbivores, and herbivores I created a class cow. Cow is a herbivores that can implement animal as well as herbivores. That means here a class is implementing multiple interfaces. So multiple inheritance is possible in interfaces. That is the main difference between abstract class and interfaces. Hope you understood. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I'll address it. Thanks for watching.